Okay, hello everybody. Now let's look at your assignment. Now you're going to do an assignment where you're going to be searching for images in a variety of different ways. You can go through magazines or the internet, whatever you like, but you're looking for the differences between gender neutral and gender stereotypical. So if we look at the very beginning, this is going to be due on the November 18th, week 10, no later. And it must be posted as a PDF. Now, if you're not familiar with how to do that, please go to the support video section and watch the video that I made on how to make a PDF document. Now, what you need to do is search through a variety of different mediums. Now, I don't really care if you want it. You can use magazines, newspapers, ads, the internet. It doesn't matter. But make sure you can save the image as a PNG, JPEG, whatever you want, that you can put into your document. Now, what you need to do is find 4 images that for you look gender neutral and 4 images that look gender stereotypical. And then I want you to provide a brief explanation, a paragraph for each of 3 explanations. So 3 paragraphs of what was it that convinced you that that was a gender neutral or gender stereotypical image. Now, some things are going to be really obvious, but I want you to be very specific. And one of the things you need to do to help develop these convincers is to review chapters 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In those chapters will be some additional supports that will help you make some distinctions that you can highlight in some images that you're finding. So what gets handed in? Each page, so one page will have an image and 3 paragraphs outlining what convinced you of the neutrality or stereotypical of the images. So you'll have 8 pages minimum. That will all be captured in a PDF document. Please organize 4 neutral and then 4 stereotypical. Don't mix them up, please. Hand it in by no later than the 18th at 5 p.m. in week 10 in Blackboard in week 10 for the assignment journal. It'll be posted there for you at the very beginning of the semester. Now, if we look at the second last page, page number 3, you'll see an image there and it says sample page. All I've done here is giving you an example of what a single page should look like. 1 image and 3 convincers in 3 paragraphs. Now, don't panic about whatever language you think this is. These are just word replacements just to fill in space to show you what it should look like, but it has no meaning. Okay? And then the last bit is just looking at the rubrics. And it's fairly straightforward. You just need to collect all 8. You need to reference the chapters that you've used to help you with the convincers, and then each convincers are marked with each image. And as long as I can see that you've been on point, you see and you recognize the subtleties as much as you also recognize the obvious, and that it's organized in a structure that can be handed in, I will be happy with that. And I hope that you will find this to be both fun and sort of entertaining and educational around how much of the images that we see may not be as gender neutral as we think, or maybe they're more gender neutral than we think. Maybe we're moving away from gender stereotypical. It might be hard to know, isn't it? All right. Good luck, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Bye now.